Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. We are going to make a very nice and quick, clean update. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section down below. You will get easy profits, trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see Bitcoin. So what do we have right here with Bitcoin is that we are having a very bad correction going on from the 48 to 50k area. But what is next right now? Can we go even higher? Let's start a little bit with the risk metrics and then we are going from mid to short term. Okay, so right now on the daily frame, what do we have? We are having kind of a mediocre situation for the RSI. I mean that it is neutral, it doesn't have anything that we can say that we are bullish. We do not have a bullish RSI divergence right here because we have a higher low, but at the same time we have a higher low in the price as well. For the commodity channel index, that is the case, and the stochastic RSI is in an oversold though, which is pretty good, but at the same time it doesn't matter so much right now. All it matters is mostly the commodity channel index, RSI, and of course the Fisher transform, which is now into a nice oversold situation beyond the blue dotted line right here. Okay, so we could potentially move even higher. However, we have to wait and see, and we have to talk about some important targets. On the 4-hour frame, we struggle on the 20-day EMA. You can see that every time we go above the 20-day EMA, we have a sell pressure. This is what happens into a bearish market. And what I mean by bearish market is that in the lower time frames, okay, for now, Bitcoin is not in a bearish market. It was back on, of course, November, December, okay, but right now it is not. However, on the 4-hour frame, we are in a bearish momentum right here, and you can see that we struggle a little bit to get even higher. At the same time, we are having the 20-day EMA rejection rate here. We are struggling to go even higher. However, according to the risk metrics, we are very neutral. We do not have anything that we can say that we are going higher or not. So what we are doing in these situations is that we are going through the targets and we are going to draw the retracement, Fibonacci retracement, of course, from the top to the bottom, and you can see a major resistance level, and one of the most important resistance levels for me is the 41.3k. If we can manage to pull it off and close above, then we can go to the next price target, which is the 43.6k, and this is one of the most important resistance levels as well, because if we find rejection, we are going further down and we are going to lose the 39.2k. So first of all, what we need to do is to close above the 41.3k. This will lead us into a better position. This can get us into the next price targets, and this will help also the altcoins, because the altcoin dominance is ready to go on. We have an ascending triangle on the altcoins dominance on the percentage. Okay, if you go there, you can see we have checked it out actually on this channel quite a few times right there. And we are going to get helped by Bitcoin's nice price pump. Okay, so for now we want to see if we can close above the 41.3k. Usually if we find rejection multiple times on this is a very bearish scenario and we are going to drop further down. Okay, so we do not want to find major rejection right there. We do not want to just go again at the 41.3k and find rejection again. We want to break it and close above. So 43.6k, we talked about it, and one important resistance level, not one of the most important ones, is the 44.7k. I feel like if we close above the 43.6, then we are going to easily break the 44.7k. I know it was a triple top right here back then, but if we go there again, trust me, it won't do anything, and we are just going to get even higher pretty much easily. Now, what's the case right there for the midterm? Okay, what Bitcoin can do? If we can close above the 50,000 Tether USD, then for me, the bull market will restart. The bull cycle is here, but the bull market will restart and we will eventually on the midterm go even higher, potentially going even higher than the 69k. So 50k is a is a pivot point for me from the okay, from not the bearish market, but we can say that we are going sideways right here to a bullish, very bullish market that could lead us all the way above the 69k. Of course, if we do not manage to get there, and of course if we keep finding rejection on the 41.3k, then make sure that probably maybe the bearish flag will take place and we will actually go further down. Okay, so in the meantime we have to wait and see. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Always remember that. Okay, if you have patience, then you can achieve many things. If you do not, then you're going to check the charts all the time. You're going to sell when you are having a very low price and you should buy, and you're going to buy at the top of the price. That's like many people did with Luna. They bought at 120 USDT around there, and Luna was ready to fall down. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Do not forget to join our Patreon and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.